folks, Colin here, back with more rock and roll. Good to see you as always. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to look at a Johnny Cash tune recorded in 1968 at San Quentin prison. This featured Bob Wooten on guitar because poor Luther Perkins had died, unfortunately, just recently. The band didn't know each other too well, and it was a little bit nerve-wracking for them. You can hear at the start of the song Johnny Cash saying to Bob Wooten, "Do you know the introduction?" And I think he kind of knew it, but he got better as he went through the song. But still, it's just so fantastic because you can hear the nerves coming through, and it's really amazing atmosphere. It's not too difficult to play. If you want to play with the record, you're going to need to put a capo on the first fret. But otherwise, I'm going to teach it in the key of D today. So it'll be one semitone down from the recorded version. Now the chords are D, E, A, and G. Back to D. I've put the tab in the description to this video so you can download the tab and you can play along, but I'll just quickly walk through the introduction. So what we're doing, we're playing open A, 2 on the A, open D, 2 on the A, then 2 on the D, 4 on the A, back to 2 on the D, so that whole bit. Then it goes open A, 4 on the A, 2 on the D, 4, 2, open D, 2 on the A, open D. So it's quite easy, not too hard. The whole thing. So as I said, it's only got 4 chords, so it's not too hard, but you've got to do that boom chicka boom. So all it is you're picking the D open on the D chord, you're playing the open D string, then you're playing the B and the G, then you're going to A, and then play B and G again. And I'm muting with my right hand to sort of give you that kind of rockabilly boom chicka boom sound. Wanted man in Mississippi. Then you're going to go to E. Wanted man in Buffalo. Same idea, but this time we're playing open E. D, G this time, then A, D, G. So do those 2 chords. And it's up to you what you do with the A. But so you can play an A up here, the 5th fret, or you can play it down here. If you play it at the 5th fret, you're going to play the E string, D, G, then A string, D, G. Move it down 2 frets, back to D. Wanted man in Mississippi, wanted man in Buffalo, wanted man in California, wanted man in Ohio. So it's a nice easy song, you can get through the lyrics and you can play along with that, and if you've got a band, you've got a good wee drummer going, it'll be a great success of an evening. Okay folks, just a quick one today. I hope you're all keeping well and enjoying life. Living in the UK is a nightmare at the moment, but never mind. So it's a lot of crazy things happening, but if you're in the UK, just keep the faith folks, we'll get through it, don't worry about it. It'll be fine. Okay, keep rocking, I'll see you soon.